Hey everyone, it is late at night and I am Norman. Welcome to the 7th video in my 30 dress watches in 30 days challenge. And tonight we're going to be discussing the R word. But I absolutely had to include this watch in my list because just look at it. Oh, the Rolex 1908 is absolutely gorgeous. Now, Hodinkee did a review of this watch and the commenters kind of tore it to shreds. They had complaints about the numeric indices, about how the hands look on it, all kinds of stuff, but I have to disagree. This watch looks amazing. I mean, just look at all these photos that I tracked down of it. Wow, it looks so good. I love that sort of coin-like bezel on it, and I personally love the hands on this watch. I think they look so good. I feel like the sub-seconds was done really well on it, and just look at how thin these things look. Oh, these watches are just amazing. They come in a few different variants and colorways. There's a black dial one with a silver case. There's a couple yellow gold pieces, one with the light dial, one with the black dial. And of course, my favorite is the black dial in the silver or white gold case. These watches have 39mm cases with a 47mm lug to lug on them. It's so crazy how thin they are. Wow. I do agree with the commenters on the Hodinkee review about the price point. I mean, this is Rolex, so they're gonna be expensive. And I was seeing them go for anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000. Ouch. The crown on these watches looks great. And I just love that dial design. It looks so cool. I personally don't have any beef with the numeric indices on it. I think they look fine. And look at that glacial blue variant. That dial looks so good. I feel like I'm kind of a sucker for a glacial blue dial. I don't own any, but whenever I see them, they always catch my eye. I think at some point I'm going to have to own one. I tried one on a bit ago and yeah, it looked good. But with these, I would still have to go with the black dial. Yeah. That one just looks so dressy and elegant. Yep. Now, in that Hodinkee article, some of the commenters mentioned the Cellini line, and I had to look that up, like just now. And those look pretty good too. It's crazy how well Rolex does with dress watches, considering that's really not their focus at all. All the Rolex I ever encounter are tool and sports watches. But when they do put out a dress piece, yes. And I feel like the 1908 line is one of those. Yep, yes. Thanks for watching.